Hi, I'm Alex Noonan. I'm a developer advocate here at Dagster Labs, and today I'm going to be doing a demo of our custom role-based access control feature, or RBAC for short, within Dagster Plus. In complex organizations, you often have unique access and control needs that don't map to how software works out of the box. Sometimes you need roles that fit between existing access levels, like launcher and editor, permissions that don't fit into current categories, and default roles for specific common use cases across teams. With that in mind, we are pleased to announce Custom RBAC within Dagster Plus. Now you can customize access roles to fit what you need. Now you have a custom role builder that has flexible permission sets and granular permission settings. You have an enhanced permission catalog with expanded permission set and smart permission groupings. And you can also set up teams of users with a default role associated with them. And we also have added a default viewer role for looking at your catalog and your data assets. Now I'm going to do a demo of setting up a custom role within Dagster Plus. Let's jump into it. So to implement this, you're going to need to have organizational admin level access. And to get to the screen we need, you can click on Deployment from the home page, Organizational Settings. And then if you go over to roles, you can see the current roles that the organization has. Here you can view permissions, and you can edit the roles as well. So we need to create a new role for our head of data. So let's fill this out here. And the account tree seems appropriate. And we'll give it a quick description. And so for the head of data, we want them to have access to everything, but we don't foresee them like changing any access keys or launching runs or doing those types of operations. So as far as a role type, there is a deployment type and an organizational type. Deployment types are more granular and refer to like operational concerns within Dagster, such as managing assets, runs, and access keys within a deployment. Organization types are more around the admin side of things. So those reflect changing users, managing billings, and launching agent tokens. For this, we're going to do a deployment type. I like to set admin first and then take away stuff we don't need. So the head of data shouldn't be wiping assets or editing partitions or editing code locations they can redeploy if they come in and see something weird. They can edit deployment partitions and manage deployments. We're going to want them to have alerts and insight metrics. They shouldn't be toggling sensors and editing cursors, but they can edit concurrency limits. And then we don't want them to have secret access. So we created our head of data role. Now let's assign it to their user. And I have this email over here, which is the head of data. And then we want to give them billing managers because they will need access to all that as the head of data. And then we can assign that role we just created for them inside this code location and the branch deployments. And that's it. Our head of data now has access to everything they need within Dagster. Well, that's it. As you saw, setting up a custom role within Dagster Plus is really easy and straightforward. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe. And also, if you're a fan of Dagster, make sure you follow us on all our socials, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Blue Sky. And make sure you join our Slack community so you can stay up to date on everything Dagster. Thank you.